Hi, I'm Lance with the EPB Energy Pros. I'm going to show you 2 inexpensive ways to help save on heating costs this winter. This is Weatherstripping, and you can use it around exterior door openings to keep warm air in and cold air out. Just remove the tape from the sticky side and apply. It couldn't be easier. Just remember to clean the door frame first so it'll stick better. This is Caulk, and you use it to fill gaps around exterior door and window frames. Simply cut the tip diagonally, puncture the inner tube, load it into the gun, and pull the trigger. Use a damp sponge to push the bead of caulk into the gap. Get it all at your local home improvement store for about $25 and start saving energy. For more helpful tips, visit epb.com/energypros. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.